Hey everybody, on this video we have the GM39 Lishi here, and we're going to be trying to pick and decode a 2002 Chevrolet Silverado door lock, and then go ahead and cut a key for it. Just going to make sure our tool's all the way in. Alright, and what we're going to do here is, like always, figure out the orientation of the lock. So we're going to have, this has 3 through 10. The door only has 3 through 10 in it. Sometimes only 3 through 9, but just figure out where the wafers are. So we've got evens going up, and we're going to have odds going down. So I'm going to apply some tension here. Okay, and nothing on 3. Okay, a little click on 4. Click on 5. Click on 6. Click on 7. Click on 8. Click on 9, nothing on 10, click on 2, and we're open. And now we'll see if we can actually decode it. Now this lock's actually round, so I can just turn it towards the camera here, and hopefully we can all see the decode. And to decode this one here, so we're going to start with 3. That's going to be a number 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 10. There's something there. I think it's like between like 1 and 2. I think that's going to be a 2, but I'll run it through a code fill program and figure it out, because they'll give us actually a valid code for all 10 cuts that would work in ignition. Not that I need an ignition key, but run it through and make sure that got the bitting right, and I'm going to do that, and I'll go out there and run and cut a key. So, be right back. Okay, so I decided to film cutting the key on the Condor Dolphin, so I'll put a link to that video up in the top right corner. I'll probably end up posting it on my other YouTube channel. And that last cut did wind up being a 2 according to the code fill. So go ahead and try it out in the lock here, make sure that it works. And it works perfectly. So I just cut it on a B89, because the usually I'd cut these on a B102, but the heads on those are real big, and on the Condor Dolphin you can't fit it far enough into the machine for it to actually cut a B102. So just use a B89 for this, since it doesn't matter. And so pretty much that's all I got on this one. Questions or comments, of course, always leave them in the comments. And yeah, I guess that's all we got. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.